iPhone 13 Pro wide-angle camera repair, cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone 13 Pro with a pop-up problem. After replacing the camera, turn off the power and remove the camera. Take out the Lumen L3 repair instrument. Plug in camera, radar repair expansion port will automatically jump to the relevant page. Take out external wide-angle camera repair cable. Buckle the cable onto the expansion port. Click refresh. Detection display normal. Click to view the installation tutorial. Snap the camera with the cable installed on the expansion port. Connect your phone to the Lumen programmer. Detection display back. Click right. Click right. Detection display right success. Click run. Detection display exists data. The pop-up window problem after replacing. The rear camera has been solved.